Novelty Health Shine.
Hello, I am Dr. Krishna Kumar, consultant gynecologist from Dombivli, Mumbai. At present, I am at my hospital, JK Women Hospital, a multi-speciality only women hospital here. And at the moment, I am the president of the Indian Association of Gynecological Endoscopists. And I was the Secretary General of ISAR for 2 consecutive years, 1819 and 1920. I am actively involved in various teaching activities across India in the field of endoscopic surgery and infertility. Of course, though I am a basic gynecologist, I have great passion for infertility, recurrent pregnancy loss and endometriosis. Today, we are fortunate that we are in that era where we can offer every couple some chance to have a baby of their own, be it patient with no sperms, patient with absent sperms, patients with no eggs, patients whose uterus are damaged. Everyone has an answer. But everybody or every couple should be guided properly. If any guidance is misleading, they unnecessarily waste time. So proper guidance and proper timely interference, every couple can have their dream to have a child of their own. We are fortunate that way back in 1978, the whole process of in vitro fertilization started with the birth of Louis Brown, 25th July 1978, and we are nearing that day to celebrate almost the 44th anniversary of the birth of ART and Louis Brown in general. At JK Women Hospital, it is an accredited NABH hospital, fully accredited. So our standards of medical care and patient safety is of the highest standards. And definitely our IVF center, which we have called the Nirmiti Fertility and IVF Center, offers all the facilities which a modern ART center need to offer. And of course, the main problem with IVF or ART treatment is the cost involved. But it is up to us as to make it how easily affordable to the normal common man of India. So we definitely have that always aspect in mind, but wherever required only we advise them ART or in vitro fertilization. Most of the time the infertility problem can be either solved by simple medication or of course enhancing endoscopic surgery. We have one of the best endoscopic surgical unit at JK Women Hospital, which is totally 3D, and those who unfortunate couple who will have to go for assisted reproduction techniques, we see to it that we advise them in a time which they do not waste much time and do our best possible efforts to give them all the best of facilities at a quite a reasonable cost. I hope and I am sure we will always be able to fulfill the dreams of every childless couples who are coming to us, but we also have limitation because the best of ART center across the world cannot boast of more than 45 to 50% of pregnancy rate and live birth rate of close to 40%. So one has to of course achieve that holy grail of IVF, which is supposed to be 50%, and if you achieve that, you have achieved the peak of ART and IVF. Thank you.
If you know of any couple who are unable to conceive within 12 months of trying, please encourage them to seek help from medical experts. Let the reach of scientific advances in reproductive health spread to all corners of the country and bring joy to all such couples. This public awareness message aimed at spreading awareness on infertility and its treatment is brought to you by Novelty Health Shine.